Thank you for buying this ring display from fixturedisplays.com. Here's a snapshot of all the parts. You first want to start with the back panel by inserting the long screws into the backboard. Once all these screws are positioned, then the backboard can start to take the sideboards. Slide the sideboard in and then tighten the screws with a supplied screwdriver. Make sure you don't miss any screws. Likewise, you want to do the left-hand side panel. Slide it in. This is a long piece, may need a little adjustment to get it in. Then tighten the screws. Fixture Displays sells many display and furniture items online. I encourage you to check us out online. Then you want to assemble the base. The base comes in two pieces. Insert the screws and then tighten the two pieces together. Our website is www.fixturedisplays. Then you want to slide the base onto the back panel and side panel assembly. May need a little patience because you are fitting one piece into three different pieces. And then tighten the screws on all three sides. Now you can bring the top piece over, very similar to what you have done with the base piece, and then tighten the screws on all three sides. Now you're ready to slide the prefabricated jewelry piece drawers in and then start assemble the door. Tighten screws to the hinges. And then bring that to the assembly. Here you may want to have a helper to hold the door for you, make it easier.
Ta-da!
Then you have this ready to display rings. And the way you fix the rings is that there is a metal ball provided as the weight. Thread the thin cable through the hole and the ring, and then tie the ball to the thread. Now, the first one may take you a little while to figure out, but then once you've done that, the other will be fairly straightforward. Again, this is counterweight to hold the ring, and a customer can view the ring without being able to take them away until they are ready to purchase. Then they can just get the store associate to help them through the checkout process. Once again, thank you for buying from fixturedisplays.com.